Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to resize images in Canva. First, open your Canva editor. On the left-hand side, click on Elements and feel free to choose any image you'd like to add to your project. Once the image is added, you'll see small circles, or resize handles, around the edges of the image. You can drag these to resize the picture however you like. If you right-click the image and choose Set Image as Background, it will fill the entire background of your design, but you'll notice the resize handles disappear. That means you can't manually resize it while it's set as the background. To get those handles back, just right-click the image again and select Detach from Background. Once it's detached, the resize handles reappear, and you can adjust the size freely again. No matter which image you use, as long as it's not set as the background, you can resize it however you want. Now, if you'd like to resize the entire design, look to the top left corner and click the Resize button. From there, you can enter custom dimensions, either in pixels or other measurement units. Canva also offers a range of preset size templates to choose from. Keep in mind, though, that the resize feature is only available for Canva Pro users. So, you'll need a premium subscription, or you can start with a free 30-day trial. And that's it. That's how you resize images in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell for more easy and quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.